The 21st Century Man is the most comprehensive and medically accurate men's health book for men over 35. It focuses on prevention and early intervention of conditions that affect midlife men. The tone is informational, without judgment or shame, with humor and empathy and respect for a man's time and intelligence. Aaron Spitz, urologist, TV personality, and author of The Penis Book, writes, "This book is one-stop shopping for the man who wants to improve, maintain, and optimize his health." Among the 101 chapters are these notable ones that you're unlikely to find in other men's health books, including my chapter on building a relationship with your doctor, Avoiding Stupid Accidents by Malcolm Johnson, emergency medicine physician, Work-Life Balance by Robert Bonfiglio, PhD, president of the California Psychological Association, A Guy's Guide to Menopause by Russell Bartels, gynecologist and sexual health expert, Can Avoiding Divorce Improve Your Health by family law attorney Jonathan LaRose, my chapter called Sex on the Beach, Stem Cell Medicine, What Does the Future Hold by Dr. Jeffrey Piccirillo, regenerative orthopedist, How to Please a Woman by Susan Bratton, intimate wellness coach, Understanding Health Insurance by Dr. James Corcos, health insurance executive, Gratitude by Bernard Churchill, pediatric urologist, and Leaving a Legacy by Larry Bianati, PhD, MBA, and human resource consultant. The 21st Century Man is an advice book that will educate and inspire you as you grow older. Learn more about the 21st Century Man and the team of elite physician authors who wrote it at the 21stcenturyman.com.